This isn't going to be a full-length video from me today. I just wanted to share a bit of news with you. I really need to rename the channel. I haven't got much adventure out of my bike lately. It's been more heartache. The bike got a bit stuck in gears. It was not engaging properly. Wouldn't come out of fifth gear after a freeway run. And then was getting stuck in third and fourth. Anyway, managed to get it home in one piece without anything catastrophic happening. But I've pulled everything apart. As you can see, we're deep down in the guts of the Himalayan LS410 again. Noticed that the bolt in the end of this shift drum was loose. Gave it a bit of a tighten and something felt a bit funny, and then when the engine was still together, I could see the gear shift was changing, but it was not stopping at first and not stopping at fifth as it should. And when I just split the case, then that was left behind in the the right hand crankcase, and it's come away from the shift drum. I don't know why. It is a weak point in the manufacturer. I think it's it's obviously the thinnest part of the material. It's a little odd the way they've built it hollow like that. I guess that's perhaps to save weight. That'd be a pretty heavy piece if it was solid, but yeah, it's created quite a weak point there. I figured it was going to be something wrong with this. I had no idea how they were made, but I've looked them up on Hitchcock's and they're only about 24 pounds or something. So I don't know, by the time of postage and that sort of thing, it's going to be about $60 Australian for me to fix that. Glad I can do it myself. It'd be an expensive job in the shop, I think. What a mess.